Wow, hello there and welcome back. In this video, we are going to take a look at how you can implement a blue-green deployment with the help of Ingress Nginx controller. So for this video, I have created a demo and we are going to create a deployment and we call this green, and the image is going to be Reaper by green, and the replicas 3, and the port is 8080. And we are also going to create a blue deployment, blue, with the deployment name blue. And then we will have to expose the deployment kubectl expose deployment blue as the name blue service, and the type is load balancer, and the green as well, and green. Good. Now, if we check the services, we have the blue service and the green service. Let's give it a test run. HTTP 8080, and we are going to use the 538080. So, in the blue-green deployment, the blue is basically the original version of the application, and the green is the new version of the application. And once the new version is deployed with all the dependencies, you would just switch the backend from blue to green, and that's why it is called blue-green deployment. This is the approach. So for that to work, what we will have to do is to create an Ingress Nginx, and in the original setup, so nano blue-green.yaml, and we would have the API version, Kubernetes instead networking, and kates.io/v1, kind is Ingress, and the metadata has the name my app Ingress, and the spec is going to be the following. We will have a rule, and this rule is going to say that the host is going to be bluegreen.example.com, and we are going to use HTTP and basically say that the following paths are available, and the first path is going to be /, and the path type is going to be prefix, and the backend is going to be service, and the name is going to be whatever follows, and the port is going to have the number 80. So what should be the name? As I mentioned in the original idea, the blue is the original version and the green is the next version. So what we can do is to get the blue service name, get svc. This is going to be the name of our original Ingress. And kubectl apply blue-green. And if we check the service, the Ingress, kubectl get Ingress, and we have the bluegreen example.com. It will take a bit of time. kubectl describe Ingress, and the back is the blue service. And once it receives the address from the MetalLB load balancer, we should be good to test it. It takes 1 or 2 minutes. But what I would like to do is to create a test, for example. So kubectl get ingress, and we are going to have the, hold on, we need the ingress class. So cat shadow ingress class name Nginx. So no blue green, and here we have the ingress class name Nginx. And do we need anything else? No. kubectl apply blue green, and kubectl get ingress. Now we should receive the IP. Get ingress. Yes, we do. So here, well, let's try it this way. While true, do curl http IP address sleep 1 is done. Good. And we will need to specify the host header. So -h host blue green. This is going to be the host header. And if we run it, you can see this is working, but we would like to use the echo with a likely a new line character. Or just simply echo. Yep. So as you can see, in infinity, it is going to check if the service is responding. And what I can do when I say that I'm using this blue-green approach is that I go and edit ingress, my app ingress, and I just simply say that the service is now the green service. Great. So export editor equals nano. And if I go back this way, I can go and change it to the green service. And now you can see that the new version of the service is serving the traffic without any interruption. So all in all, this is how you can use Ingress Nginx controller to implement this blue-green deployment. And I don't really want to dig further into this Ingress Nginx controller. I want to further explore the gateway API and the stuff it is capable to do. So that was all in this video. See you in the next one.